Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for always tuning in. I really appreciate you all. Happy New Year to you all. So when we were praying and thinking that everything will fall in place according to the problem, the situation of the Biafra Republic government in Ezza, the problem they are having, when we were thinking that we have seen it all, when we were thinking that finally the fire is off, we never knew that another one is coming from the attorney. You guys know this alas. Then when the Biafra Prime Minister contacted him, when the Biafra people started following him, when he was a lobbyist to the Biafran people. A lot has happened though. You can view the caption. I know some persons will tell me that, oh, progressive analyst, where you can't get this news from. That is why I am pasting it before you all. So may we check out waiting in talk. And also, after hearing from him, we are going to go to the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi, what she respond and the information that followed. Then we go come know where the truth dey and where the lie dey. And progress the analyst, I will still tell you guys. Now he waited peacefully till December 31st, 2024 before he would drop the ghost for the Biafran people. But he never knew that now the beginning of the dragging, now he just entered for this 2025. Here, breaking news, official statement December 31st, 2024. I understand that this past month has been a difficult one for many Biafrans, not only due to the detention of our beloved Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, but also because of the subsequent internecine disputes among competing personalities over power and control of the Biafra movement. I have remained silent until now. Given the fluid and evolving nature of the situation, I also hope to play a helpful behind-the-scene role rather than further inflaming the ongoing infighting on social media. I personally offered to mediate as a neutral breaker between the two representative parties, Mr. Ogeshukwu Ukere and Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, both of whom I have had good professional and personal relationship with. Unfortunately, those efforts were unsuccessful. Moreover, my role as Biafra Republic government in exile lobbyist became increasingly difficult, if not impossible, due to contradictory orders and demands from the opposite camps. However, recent developments have necessitated some hard but clearly defined choice dictated by U.S. law. These decisions offered myself, my firm, Moral Global Strategies, and Mr. Ahmed Dabiri and the Law Office of Ahmed Dabiri's and Association, PLLC, the lobbyist contracts of both mine and Mr. Dabiri's firm were signed with the Biafra Republic government in exile with HE Prime Minister Simon Ekpa as the contract signatory. MGF's contract with Biafra Republic government in exile is on record with the United States Department of Justice. The Biafra Republic government is a non-stock corporation registered in the state of Maryland, in which Mr. Ogeshukwu Ukere is one of the principal agents. Dr. Orabueze is not listed on any legal paperwork of the Biafra Republic government in exile. Furthermore, Mr. Ukere has now been inaugurated as the acting Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile as a result of a public election orchestrated by the Conflict Resolution Committee. Dr. Orabueze has created a parallel cabinet and also initiative to compete with Biafra Republic government in exile, while Dr. Orabueze has the right to create her own organization or initiative. It would constitute a legal conflict of interest for Mr. Dabiri and myself to represent a competing entity with which we have no contractual relationship. According to Mr. Dabiri, and I have sent Dr. Ngozi Orabueze a notice terminating our professional relationship with her. Please note that this decision is not a reflection of our personal opinions of Dr. Orabueze, but rather a matter of compliance with the law and professional ethics. All steps taken have been on the advice of legal counsel. Additionally, I emphasize that only Simon Ekpa, Moral Global Strategist, and the Law Office of Ahmad Dabiri and Association (PLC) have authorities over the contracts our representative firms have with the Biafra Republic government in exile. No other individuals are parties to or signatories of this contract. Any attempt by third parties to assert jurisdiction or interference with our contracts would constitute tortious interference, and these third parties may be subject to civil penalties. I hope Biafrans understand and emphasize with the difficult position I have been placed in and refrain from involving me in internet disputes among their leaders. I want all Biafrans to know that regardless of which leaders or personalities they support, I will continue to advocate for all of them. I also urge all Biafrans to treat one another with greater respect and civility, despite their difference of opinion. Mr. Dabiri and I look forward to working with the Biafra Republic government in exile and acting Prime Minister Ogeshukwu Nkeri, and we congratulate him on his election. We also extend our best wishes to Dr. Orabueze in all her future endeavors. Sincerely, Alas, Gary Soles, Mara Global Strategist, MGS, Ahmad Dabiri Law Office of Ahmad Dabiri and Association, PLC. Hey, my people, you guys know this lobbyist a lot. I know that he's familiar with a lot of people, or a lot of people are familiar with him. A lot has been going on, and this is the message he passed to Biafrans, letting Biafra to know that he is working with Mr. Ogeshukwu, and he also said that Mr. Ogeshukwu is the acting Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, and he said he was elected by the Biafran people, and he also congratulated him. And he said that all the papers work, everything that is happening in the United States of America, the signature of Mr. Ogekere is written boldly there. And he said that the Deputy Prime Minister's signature, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, her signatures are not there. But I am going to shock you. In my next video, I will explain to you the message that he passed to Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. This issue long ago, do you know that he was the one that told Dr. Ngozi that Simon Ekpa said he should be in charge? Matter day. According to the Biafra Deputy Prime Minister said, she was so surprised when the lobbyist made a U-turn and start changing everything again. Now, who is saying the truth? I am coming back with the response from the Deputy Prime Minister. Is going to shock you. She reviewed a lot of things that this attorney passed to her. Now my question is, what is your take on it? Drop it in the comment section as you wait patiently for the part 2 very soon. Thank you and bye for now.